Globally, the question of going green and exploring alternate energy sources has been going on for years now. But over the past decade, we have seen some significant action in that sector. But then again, you cannot ignore the fact that there are a lot of hurdles that the sector needs to address, which is lack of infrastructure and the costing that is required to build these electric vehicles. But then again, once in a while, there are a couple of interesting technologies as well as smart vehicles that stun the world. And this week I'm in Beijing to check out exactly those new technologies as well as smart vehicles. Who said only automobile manufacturers can turn the future of our mobility electric? One of China's leading internet conglomerates, LeEco, formerly known as LeTV, decided to showcase a self-driving smart supercar, LeSEE, just day before the Beijing Auto Show. Unveiled at the Grand Le Sports Center, the LeSEE Supercar wowed thousands of onlookers with its autonomous driving ability, a foldable steering wheel, and screens that offer in-car entertainment for passengers. LeSEE is a sneak preview into the DNA of future LeEco cars that will be designed to share the ecosystem for mobility. The concept has been designed with an idea of interconnection, offering facial recognition, emotion recognition, and path recognition.
乐视生态内的所有的智能终端的定价都是秉承一个原则，极限科技、完整生态和颠覆价格。虽然我们和阿斯顿马丁和戴姆勒在合作，但是更多的是通过和这个世界顶级的传统汽车厂合作，来提高乐视的硬件的能力，能真正的让我们的汽车硬件本身达到一个世界级的顶尖水平。但是我们 销售的其实并不是一辆汽车，提供的也不仅仅是个汽车，而是基于电动汽车的一个完整的互联网智能交通生态系统。所以我们在价格的溢价之上，还是像我们的定价原则一样，这是一个非常颠覆价格。
Well, only time can tell whether LeEco can channelize the future of mobility the electric way. Meanwhile, we cannot ignore the fact that making our IC engines a lot more fuel efficient is the immediate future. And joining that endeavor is a former Formula One trio, accomplices in the triumphant Ayrton Senna era in the 80s, who have come together to explore the future of urban mobility and to make a concept car. Project M is a lightweight, energy-efficient city concept car that is a product of the co-engineering process of oil and lubricant giant Shell with former Formula One designer Gordon Murray and former F1 engine guru and present founder of Geo Technologies, Osamu Goto. At the global unveil of the Shell concept car in Beijing, we saw a quirky compact 3-seater car that weighs just 550 kilos.
The ability to translate the composite technology from racing and carbon fibre and lightweight solutions to this car is really significant. We haven't gone for a fully composite structure because the cost and process time to attach significant point loads to a pure composite car is very slow and very expensive. So we supplement the composite structure with the steel tubes. In terms of composite design, we wanted to enhance the speed at which the process could be put into manufacture. So we're relying on a pressed carbon solution with a takt time of only 120 seconds rather than hours that it would take to lay up a carbon fibre panel and then autoclave it in a pressurised temperature oven.
A shadow of Murray's racing DNA comes across with the central seating position for the driver that's set to bring more visibility and also allow the two rear seat passengers to enjoy ample leg space while commuting. Despite its compact appearance, there's plenty of storage space inside the car, ranging from 160 litres with the two seats in upright position to 720 litres with the seats folded down. While the designers have obsessed over lightweight technology, Shell took on the role of developing a special motor oil to enhance the overall efficiency of the vehicle, principally by minimizing friction. The result is 15% lower friction rate than a standard engine oil.
The lubricant's really important in making an engine very efficient. On lots of testing that we've done, we find about 20% of an engine's fuel consumption is used to overcome friction. So if we can reduce that significantly, the fuel economy of the vehicle will improve enormously. And in this project here, by careful engine design and by careful lubricant design, reduce the friction by around about 30%, which is material to improving the fuel economy.
Some jaw-dropping statistics then. This three-seater car can travel up to 100 kilometers in just 2.6 liters of fuel, and to bring matters into perspective, Shell says that this car uses just half the energy used to produce a small family hatchback and 69% less energy that goes into manufacturing a regular SUV. Interesting to note though how engineering guru Osamu Goto has rehashed years of his F1 knowledge of building high-performance racing engines to build a durable and economical three-cylinder petrol engine for the future.
Racing engine and the fuel economy looking for and the fuel economy engine are quite similar, like a low friction point. There are many idea, many concept, same common concept. For example, not we speak, but crankshaft bearing. This one also same concept as a racing engine and the most efficient fuel economy engine. And also this kind of piston design, ring design, valve design, all same.
So you're saying that the basics are the same?
Yeah, basics and
the application would be...
Yeah, application, the tuning is different. So looking for more power or looking for more fuel consumption, but and fuel economy are quite similar. Both sides reduce friction.
In the words of Gordon Murray then, this is a small vehicle with big ideas. And while the makers maintain that this would be an extremely affordable car, the Shell concept car will not be put into mass production anytime soon. Nonetheless, it's a concept worth pondering on for the future of our mobility. While electric technologies may still be some distance away from the Indian market, it is these efficient engines as well as the city cars which is our immediate future. In fact, we do hope that the Indian government would concentrate on making such technological possibilities rather than concentrating on legislations which work on eradicating pollution and congestion.